presenting Blackfrog Technologies' next-generation vaccine carriers for safe delivery of COVID-19 vaccines. Emvolio is a patented technology developed indigenously with the support from BIRAC and its partners, Venture Center, CCAMP and Social Alpha. Emvolio is now live in pilot capacity across 4 states of India and has been tested exhaustively in various geographies. We have taken on a mission to minimize vaccine wastage and ensure efficacious vaccines reach the furthest corners of India and beyond.